Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the physical chain right. Connect the USB capture/display adapter to your host and target devices and install the vendor driver now so the OS recognizes the device. Once done, open the companion app and allow permissions. This prevents driver conflicts later. Make sure you use a USB 3.0 port and a good cable to reduce latency. Why it matters is simple. Bandwidth limits frame rate and adds lag. Next, verify firmware and OS compatibility before moving on. You now configure the capture and display parameters inside the app and OS. First, choose the USB device as the input on the receiving computer or as the output on the sending device, then set resolution and refresh rate to match the source. This avoids scaling artifacts. Once configured, route audio either through the USB pass-through or keep system audio local. Pick the option that fits your workflow. Finally, enable hardware acceleration if available, because it lowers CPU use and improves smoothness. You finish by doing a full test. Play motion video and check for stutter, color shifts, and audio sync. Record a short clip to confirm. If issues appear, power cycle both devices, reseat the USB cable, and try a different port. Often the fix is simple. If problems persist, update or roll back drivers, and test the device on another computer to isolate whether the adapter or your system is at fault. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping to a known good USB 3.0 cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.